I'm at a property. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1,500 square feet, and it's located in the city of Mount Helix district. As you know, there are people here already, so we're just going to navigate around and obviously take a look at the beautiful property here. Now, this is a corner lot. Hello, I'm sorry. This is a corner lot, and it's a newly renovated Helix Highland home in Mount Helix. This is one of the small bedrooms, and it's a 4-bedroom, like I said, 2-bath, and it has been renovated and with modern features and finishes. So now we're just going to go through the quickly go through the bedrooms. Fresh paint with newly installed luxury vinyl plank flooring and 5-inch baseboards throughout the property. Very nice, very sweet, excellent. And here is another bedroom, I believe, with its own bathroom. I would call this the master bedroom with its own bath and shower. Excellent. So if you have any questions, I will try and answer them at the end of this session. And here is the dining area, I would say, going into the kitchen. And as you can see, it has new stainless kitchen appliances, updated hardware on doors and cabinets, and modern light fixtures. And it has a new electrical panel as well, switches and outlets. So it's spacious, fully fenced in the backyard, potentially is awaiting a creative and perhaps, you know, an ADU, guys. I'm assuming it could be potentially zoned for an ADU or a granny flat in the backyard. Very sweet. Very nice upgrades here. Cute little fireplace and a living room area here. Very tastefully done. Excellent.